How to make a cherry limeade. This is not like a Sonic cherry limeade. This is very different from that. It is lime seltzer water and cherry drink syrup and ice. So, you want to take a shot of that. Doesn't honestly matter how much. It just like depends on how cherry, how sweet you want it. Keep in mind this is literally just melted sugar with a little bit of water in it, so it's very high calorie, very high sugar. So use your discretion on that one. We got that right about there, and you can go ahead and stir it. And it's got like a very pinkish rosé color. If you want it redder, you can put food coloring in it. And there you go.